In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Optimum cable box with a fast and easy fix. Resetting your cable box can solve many common issues like freezing, no signal, or slow performance. First, locate the power button on your Optimum cable box. Press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds until the box turns off. If your cable box doesn't have a power button, simply unplug the power cord from the outlet. Wait for about 30 seconds to 1 minute to allow the box to fully reset. Plug the power cord back in or press the power button to turn the cable box back on. Give it a few minutes to boot up completely. You should see the startup screen and get your channels back. If you're still experiencing problems, try pressing the reset button on the back of the box using a paperclip or small pin. Hold it for about 10 seconds and release. If the reset doesn't work, you might need to contact Optimum customer support for further assistance or a replacement box. That's it. Resetting your Optimum cable box is a quick way to fix many common issues and get back to enjoying your TV. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech fixes and tutorials.